Today we're doing a big hike. Happy birthday, bro.
Thanks, dude. Come here.
The happy birthday hike. We're doing Stairway to Heaven for my man Jen's birthday. But there's 3 ways to get up, right? 1 legal, 2 illegal?
1 illegal, 2 legal.
Bar spitter, I'm a hard hitter.
Spam musubiva. It's the magical food.
Jen, you gonna run this whole thing?
Probably. I mean, I was thinking about it.
You wanna show us how that run is again? That's that military run. The beginning of this hike just starts at this little park over here. It's got bathrooms and it's a pretty clear trail. It's just straight jungle out here.
That's right.
Whoa.
That's right.
It's like the Amazon rainforest. I guess I should introduce everybody. This is Jenner. We went to high school together. You already seen him. It's his birthday. This is Josh. Josh has been with me for about a month and a half. Went to Kenya with me. If you haven't seen his Turning Stones episode, you should. His story is wicked. And this guy you might have seen before.
I can't. Physically, I can't. Mentally, I can't either because I'm in a whole different spectrum of life right now, bro. A spectrum of life right now, bro.
Last time we were hiking together, this is Hunter. Last time we were hiking together, my mental state fell apart though. We're gonna try to avoid that today. We don't want that, huh, Hunt?
No, that's it. That's
Did you bring enough water is the question?
Yes, 3 liters.
So the first 25% of this hike is basically all rutted out. And Jenner said next time he's putting on for 4-wheeler so we can take him up. On a real note, you can't. There's gates all at the beginning. Don't try that. Don't try that. Did I do you dirty?
Yeah, I think so.
My bad. He said I didn't want it to slap you, which means Ryan slapped me in the face with it.
That is what that means.
That's Jenner trying to be nice. Yeah, I think you did.
Maybe, maybe not.
It could have been my fault.
He sounds pretty sure.
Oh, okay.
We don't know. We're following him.
Okay.
If not, you'll see us come back this way in a minute.
I feel like I'm in the Chronicles of Narnia. The horseman's about to pop out. Let it be known, you'll earn this one. Go ahead, drink up. Sweating. That humidity hit.
Good to see you guys again.
Welcome back. Is this official stop point number 1?
Well, I don't know about that. I think he's lying to you.
All right, number 4 or 5.
We did. We got lucky today.
No wind.
No wind.
So that you said that's where we're going? See if I get my finger right. Bro, how you do that voice?
What voice?
Rambo.
I'm Rambo.
So Hunt came out because we were gonna do a Turning Stones episode of him jumping out of a plane because he is deathly afraid of heights. But we can't do that because of extenuating circumstances. So this will have to be a close second. I hope when we get up there, there's some ledges for him to look over so I can catch that on video. Jen, what's the number 1 rule of hiking? When in doubt, run it out. All right, Josh. He said, I'll earn my disability check. Uncle status. Good work, though.
Good job, buddy.
Hawaii has some of the most beautiful landscape I've ever seen in the world. This is, I mean, it makes sense, but this is the closest thing that I've seen to Fiji since. Let the final ascent begin.
Can you hear it or anything, Josh? The drone? Ooh, that's not good.
Travel vlogging is always a great idea, and everybody wants to vlog in some extent. But let me show you what it looks like behind the scenes a little bit right here. There it is.
Yeah,
Jurassic Park up here.
yeah.
That's good.
You made it.
Y'all been up here.
Yeah, dude.
Let it be known, baby.
To the moon. So let it be known. To the moon. So these stairs we're walking on are the actual, easy, vlogging and trying to eat it. These are the actual stairway stairs to heaven, and this is the part of the hike that you can't hike. Like, you can walk the top like we are, but you can't take this all the way down. And it sounds pretty unanimous that there's cops looking constantly, so I wouldn't try. The fine is fat, and they don't play with it out here. Jenner was saying, because he's in the Navy, he said that in the Navy, they actually have like disciplinary actions for this hike in specific. This is that strap up life. Camera goes off here and it's over. Josh, how's the view up there?
Amazing.
Yo, this is crazy. I see why this is locked down. It's almost a ladder. And that's Josh right there. So at the top, there's that radio station that we first pulled up to, and then if you hike down just a little bit on the stairs, there is a second pillbox, which the pillboxes are all over the island. And you said they were lookout spots?
Yeah.
Like Navy, or I guess military lookout spots back in the day, and now they're just tourist attractions.
Yeah, I wish I knew the history a little better, but
You ain't got no lessons for us? No
Yep.
Navy lessons?
none, nada. Like really, really overgrown, so you're like walking through that.
So Jim was just saying, because I know somebody's gonna watch this and be like, yo, let's send the full stairs. If you get past this pillbox, it's even more overgrown than this. Plus you have wooden steps that are liable to break through, turn over, turn sideways. So you're really risking it. Dang, I just got that. Bro, Hunt.
We built different around here,
Okay,
boys.
Popeye.
Remember when I saw you? Hi, it's nice to meet you. Know my old girl salty. She just wanna be you. I'm a dog, no Maltese. I don't wanna leave you. Once you're right here, I just don't wanna mistreat you. No.
Oh yeah, this is the spot. Top 10 picnic place? Top 5. 10.5 mile hike up here. Good boys, good views, fading quickly. 420, 2021, I wouldn't be anywhere else, bro.
That's right, thanks, buddy.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
I wonder if I can get this and run at the same time. Ah.